In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to your Monday.com board. To get started, open Monday.com and navigate to the board where you want this integration to live. Make sure you're on the correct board before moving forward because the integration you set up will apply specifically to that workflow. Once you're inside the board, look toward the top area for the Integrate or Integrations option. The exact label can vary slightly depending on your layout or account version, but it will lead you to the place where Monday.com connects with external tools and apps. After opening the integrations area, use the search bar to look for Gmail. This will help you quickly find the right app, especially if you have a lot of available integrations listed. When Gmail appears in the results, select the Gmail integration to open its setup options. At this point, Monday.com will usually show you different automation recipes or connection templates that define how Gmail and your board can work together. Next, sign into your Google account when prompted. This step allows Monday.com to securely connect with Gmail so it can send, receive, or trigger actions based on your chosen setup. Depending on your browser or Google settings, you may be asked to confirm permissions. Take a moment to review those permissions so you understand what access is being granted. If you're already signed in to Google, this part may go very quickly. Once the account is connected, choose the trigger and action you want to use. This is the part where you decide how the integration should behave. For example, the trigger is what starts the automation, and the action is what Monday.com or Gmail does in response. As you configure this, read each field carefully and match it to the workflow you actually need on your board. A small setup choice here can affect how smoothly your automation runs later, so it's worth taking an extra moment to double check everything. When you're happy with your selections, save the Gmail integration. After saving, test it to make sure it works as expected. Testing is important because it helps you confirm that the connection is active, the correct account is linked, and the trigger action setup behaves the way you intended. If something doesn't work right away, review the selected trigger, action, and permissions, then try again. And that's it. You've successfully set up a Gmail integration in Monday.com, helping your emails and board activity work together more efficiently.